Hello, my name is Montse and this is So Yoga. And just thought you've been working for a long time, you need a break. So join me for just two minutes, 3 minutes of a quick reset of the body if you've been in front of the computer for long hours. So first of all, just move your shoulders, come to a standing position. You don't need a mat, you don't need anything. Just come behind your desk chair just now and standing up, just a couple of shoulder rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I bet you've been doing a lot of this action. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And just one more time, backwards. And now bring the hands together and we're gonna do a little wrist movement. So the hands come back to back and then flip the fingers forward, hands together again, hands back. Got it? It's a bit like you were opening something. 3, 4, really pushing against it, so noticing the wrist, and 5, and now the other way, forward and back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now extend the arms. This is great for you. I don't like it so much because it's really tough if we do it a long time. But we're not going to do it for too long. So just open and close really quickly. Really stretching your fingertips, stretching your fingers as much as you can. Stretch, close and open. And then opening your arms. So let's bring a bit of arm strength here as well. Opening your arms, pushing, come back, come back, come back, come back. Really open. I don't know if you're feeling it. I'm feeling it. And let go. Let go, let go, let go. And now very simply open your feet a bit wider than hip width apart. And just bounce a little bit and then just twist to one side and twist to the other. Super simple. Just resetting the back. Coming to one side, then to the other. Lifting the opposite heel. So in whichever direction you go, lift the opposite heel. And as you go deeper, you can perhaps even look behind you. You don't have to. Again, notice it's a great twist. Very gentle. Make it playful. Just make it playful. Just bend your knees, really. And allowing the hands to be heavy. So almost like, I don't know if you can hear how I'm hitting myself. So you're giving yourself a little massage. Let them fly. Let them fly. Tap yourself on the back. Tap yourself on the thighs. Little bit tapping. And then come back, come back, come back. And a big inhale up. And then let it go. One more time. Inhale up. Let it go. And we're done. I hope you feel a bit more energized and you can come back to your desk or go and have a cup of tea. And if you like this, just let me know in the comments and I'll be doing some other practices to do in the middle of the day, especially if you've been sitting a lot. Yes, let me know. And please do subscribe to my channel and share. And share. Thank you so much. Hello, my name is Montse and this is So Montse.